Welcome to my tutorial on how to use edmodo.com. I am a 9th grade teacher and I am an avid user of the edmodo.com website. I like it for a number of reasons. First, it's easy to use. Second, it's easy to access. Third, it's a great way for students, particularly students with iPads, to keep updated on various information that you are sending out to your class. And third, it also gives you a great way for parents to be able to see what's going on in their children's classroom and check up on their work. Okay, so this is my Edmodo page. It's very simple to make an Edmodo page. All that you have to do is put in your username or your email. Signing up is very easy. You can either sign up as a teacher or as a student. There's also a way for parents to see what their children are doing. So you can log in through your parents' login, which I will show you in just a moment. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my login. Sorry about that. Alright, so now we are in once again. Over here to my left, you see that I've got all of my various clubs, okay? So here I've got my English, all of my different classes are set up. You can have assignments that are per class or for one individual class. I have a personal things that I wanted to cast on my board, which was for a time when I was having trouble with my computer, and my 2 after-school programs, and finally my yearbook club. There are different things that you can do, so say that I wanted to send a reminder, final exam, now only my English 2 classes will be taking this, so I can come down here, English 2, send it to my other class. If I choose to, I can also send it to the parents, which is a great thing. So the student login, similar to the website Class Dojo, it allows the parents to see this as well. So I sent that out real quick, just reminding my students, okay? Over here we've got assignments. You can actually load an assignment, create an assignment title, put in a load date when it will be due. Students can, therefore, then they get reminders sent to their iPads or their phones saying that, hey, you got to get this assignment in. Next, I have quizzes. The great thing about this is that you can load a previously created quiz alongside getting instant results. So I've got here, I had a poetry elements quiz and some kids had to make a retake, so all I did was went in, edited a little bit, and reassigned it. So this is something that a quiz looks like. You've got all of your different types of questions. So here we've got multiple choice. There's some matching that you can do. Let's find that. Here you can also type in short responses, so making sure that they get this exactly right. True or false types of questions. There's also prompts, so this would be an extended response. And matching. Matching, you have to make sure that you have selected the right way to set up the questions, otherwise you can run into some complications for your students, which is never a good thing. From there it will give you also your data, showing you exactly how your kids did, etc., etc. You can also take a poll. I've done a few polls just for student gratification and different types of culture building. Also, something that's great, I like to do welcome work or bell work using Edmodo. And so what I will do is I will type up, here's an example of a poll, which I was discussing earlier. So what I will do is I will type up, let me find one, yes, okay. So I taught my students slam poetry, and I had, as an assignment, they had to list 5 things that really bother them in society so that they can look at that from each other, compare and contrast, see what they have in common, see what differentiates. The kids say that they really like seeing that feedback and seeing those different things that their classmates are posting to either inspire them or just to, learn. Students also get to make their own little pages with their own profile pictures. It's very similar to a Facebook type of thing. You can also give them quizzes at the beginning of the school year. This is a very helpful thing because it shows you how they like to learn. So, are they a hands-on learner? What is their career goal? She put her favorite quotes in here, so that's great. And here are some of my coworkers as well, so I can actually visit their pages. I can't see their content the way that students can, but I am able to send her a note, look at files, see her other connections, make sure that I'm not missing any of my other teachers. This is my principal's page, so she is following 7 teachers at our school because we are a smaller school. All in all, I would highly recommend Edmodo to be used in a classroom. Since students do like the social media aspect of it, it will be successful. You'll be able to get all of your kids motivated to do their assignments and such. And so this is a great classroom tool. I'd highly recommend looking into getting an Edmodo because good stuff.